Some roads don't just take you somewhere, they slowly bring you back to nature. Just outside Ahmedabad, silence begins to speak. This is Thol Lake Sanctuary, a home, not a display. Over 160 species of birds arrive here, crossing borders, seasons, and skies, just to rest. Built in 1912 to serve farmers, this lake quietly grew into a sanctuary, declared a bird sanctuary in 1988, but protected long before that by nature itself. Come early, let the sunrise arrive before your thoughts, and leave with nothing except peace.